Now we will discuss on Income Tax Act 1961 and proposed bill. See, the present Income Tax Act enacted in 1961 and came into existence with effective from 1st April 1962. And it has been amended almost 65 times, more than 4,000 amendments. The reasons for regular amendments is changing economic, social and political realities. It is regularly updated on an annual basis to reflect the economic changes and fiscal policies and government priorities. Income tax in 1961 became bulky. So the Honorable Prime Minister in the budget speech in July 2024 stated the review of the Income Tax Act 1961 to make the act concise, lucid and easy to read and understand. So this bill is proposes to eliminate the redundant provisions, reducing the length by nearly half. See, the drafting style of the new bill is straightforward and clear and making the provisions very clear and easier to understand by incorporating more than 57 tables compared to 18 tables are used in Income Tax Act 1961. All provisions, almost to 1200 provisions and explanations, around 900 explanations have been removed in the new bill. The new bill adopts a simplified reference system, allowing provisions to be cited by simply mentioning the sections. Significant aspect of the bill is elimination of the concept of previous year and assessment year. This concept has been eliminated. Tedious provisions have been presented in a tabular form. The size of the new bill reduced, one side almost half, and another, the provisions have been consolidated and presented in a user-friendly format. See, in case of provisions relating to non-profit organizations, NPOs, now have been arranged in Part B, Chapter 17, titled as B, Special Provisions for Registered Non-Profit Organizations, NPOs. These have been consolidated and structured into 7 parts which contain the provisions related to registration, income, and commercial activities, compliances, violations, and registrations for the purpose of eligibility of donation and interpretations. The language has been simplified by use of short sentences to the extent possible. The new bill overall consists of 23 chapters against the 43 chapters present Income Tax Act. And total sections are 536. At present, the effective sections are 819. And the total words, 2.6 lakhs words against the 5.12 lakhs in the present act. So the tax year is a commonly used in many countries. The word tax year. See, the tax year, there is a unit period of taxation. This term shall be referred in respect of all transactions and income for the period. Financial year, for the purpose of timelines, for the compliances and procedural issues. And another TDS and TCS provisions have been made easier to comprehend by providing tabular forms, separate tables for payment to residents and non-residents, and where there is no deduction at source is required. So separate tables are given. Simplification has been carried out for salaried employees. This is another advantage. Steps involved to introduce the new bill. Generally how it goes: passing of the bill in the parliament to become an act. Then further step is to operational and delegated legislation framework, notification of new rules and forms, and then simultaneous exercise for software development and to set up the systems and to process various administrative and quasi-judicial functions will be taken place. This is what a brief. Thank you. Hope you are clear.